Okay, guys, I say we're from the DJ Park or Rich. Now today, yeah, well, Abrochi Kakra, meaning Junior Europe, Junior Abroad, and it's no place than Elmina, popularly known as Edina. We came for the Bakatue Festival now, so now we are here with one of their own, a son of the soil, and then we are here to ask for certain information, details to be offered in a form. And I said, my brother, our friend is Solo. Solo, how be?
I do. Official come bia Solo vision. Yemo bia official pa.
I think of what's here, brother. Elmina what festival me?
Yeah.
Is this the only festival Elmina was celebrating?
Yeah, Elmina. Actually, we have two. Yeah, we're Elmina Bakatue Nankasa. It's Elmina was in first Thursday in every year. And yeah, Osha Sifia Keta that starts on the last Friday of the year. Nebronya no what you do on Thursday. It's after this July festival here we cross or by in December and then early January. Yeah.
I see. But I think my first time I met witness Elmina Bakatue, and I'm impressed. The turnout, the display of culture, and everything here is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's Saturday and Nkotsenga was celebrated and they start from a particular point and we end with a particular.
Yeah, actually, the festival and wash as if it 2 Mondays before the Tuesday. It's about 6 weeks festival. I shall say every Mondays. Rituals be domo. 3 Mondays and a Tuesday, following Tuesday, and why a Bakatue festival on where what the other side. It's Tuesday na way. Na Wednesday, Thursday, Friday activities shishim. Na Saturday a Deba of Chiefs like we are witnessing now. So the festival actually start on Monday. Wobodomo 2 Mondays, 3 Mondays before Tuesday, and then the Saturday regatta, or the Deba of Chiefs. It's Tuesday, why a regatta in front of the Nana Benya shrine where they immerse some rich pots into the lagoon and then they do the canoe racing.
But let me ask, in other places, is fishing allowed in the Baka?
No.
No.
Yeah. So
for how long in a watch over anymore?
Oh, normally a day or two. Okay. So today, for instance, all those who went for fishing were not allowed to come back. Either they wait or they go somewhere.
Okay.
And then on Tuesday to the Monday before that, there is some activities, rituals that they perform. Yeah.
But then for the first time, my origin, what is the real motive behind the celebration of Bakatue?
Okay, the festival is celebrated, like the Bakatue is celebrated for about 5 main reasons. One, as the founding, to remember the founders of the town itself, and also to usher in the new fishing season. Our calendar starts on July to the following year. And it's also to usher in new food, new crops into the town, and for celebration, for solving family problems, getting together, and all of that. So we have about 5 main reasons. Yes, is our fashion. Yes, a can and nanum. Eshe crony history now. Obia obenya da munsuya or the benya no ofie guafo. Na obeya or kwaha no bottle insunu no ka menya only benya na. Wabaka on it is Tuesday no say yet to web na wotu bakana wo kutu a wazishen suni na what to web so na no boba no was bi kwegwafo send the papa no e ho na nature fi it's yet na negwafo the high day nwanoma yeah
na pots and kutu no wazishen suni mo san babaka
yeah was I had told leaves nyinya nazi na wo rituals gudu na wazishen wo wi na was a point now what to a bonus and nama obenian or tread afia yes me and nama yebenya whether it will be good fishing season or it will be worse. Yeah. So they do that for about 3 times before the rituals, and then the festival will end.
Beautiful guys, in Tiritaya, this is the reasons why we celebrate Bakatue Festival. I'm doing this with a son of the land, Solo Division. Now, he's been one man that has been a real definition of proper fancy man. He doesn't downplay his culture, and see, I'm very happy that we are doing this today. We are still here in Elmina, still working. We are still here in Elmina. We are going to bring you sights and sounds of the beautiful festival. But my turn around, and I may be some one important question right after this break. Okay, guys, so we are still here at Edna Elmina, and then we are talking about their festival. Now, last Tuesday, Edna Mahen or display in our Sawana Palanquin, and it was beautiful. But there is some narrative out there that Nana was dancing with the government of the day, NDC, war flag. But according to research, a couple of interviews I've done in Elmina, it's not NDC flag. So, flag and another sauna.
Yeah, it's quite unfortunate. The flag is actually a gift from the Suriname. It's Suriname who will trace one history now. They have some relationship with the people of Elmina. It's during the program in front of the shrine, they gifted Nana some items. Their leaders gifted Nana some items, and then the flag was part of it. It's during the departure, Nana took the flag and they decided to wave it to show love to the people of Suriname. Now, you born there, Ibiso, Bibi, Asafo. Oma hino Kroma Hebiano, Ofi, Asafo, number 7, Enyampa. It's the Asafo flag, no chichen. It's in Oma in an Okojokondia, Ofi, Asafo number 7, Enyampa, Asafo. It's one flag, no chichen. It's a damn clarification in or Suriname, one flag. Now, you know, so chichen. Asafo one flag, number 7, Enyampa. Yeah.
But I unfortunate today, it shares the same color with the NDC.
Yeah.
And so people were reading politics.
Yes, because the colors are the same, but say a yellow symbol. Yeah, so if you look at the NDC flag and then the Suriname flag, they are almost the same, the colors. There are some differences if you look deeper. Yeah, so it's quite unfortunate that it happened that way. It depends on the angle you saw. Yeah.
All right, so guys, clear that's, controversy. That wasn't an NDC flag. Asafo, Elmina Asafo, number 7. What flag na Nanaza Boniti and a Suriname? What flag? What Tracy were roots there? Originally, they are from Edna, and so they will come and join hands to celebrate this beautiful festival. Guys, we are here. We have more staffs from Elmina to Babro. This is what you need to know about Elmina. Elmina is a beautiful place. It has a lot of tourist attraction, and so please find your routes to Elmina, and you definitely love the place. Thank you. My name is DJ Parker. You have something to say?
Yeah. Keep following Parker Rich. This one, be all be lie, all be true.
All right, guys. So we'll meet at the other side. Thank you. Bye. So you know that inside the Elmina Castle, there were one beautiful restaurant. That is where I am. And so, if you're thinking of visiting Elmina and you want to visit the castle and you want to have the best of meal, I say, Elmina Castle, this is the best place you can have the best food. I'll catch that one. All right. Yeah.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.